Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. I'm having my septic system pumped out, and it puts me in mind of this idea that there's definitely stuff in our martial arts career, in our practice, in our style, that we consider waste. But my question to you is that waste doing good downstream? Is it simply thrown away, or is it offered to that which would benefit by it? Right? Is it being recycled? Is it being composted? So consider the techniques, the concepts, the principles, even the stories that you've received in your martial arts career or studies or lineage or style, and say, I'm not going to keep this. I don't like doing the elbow that way. I don't like doing the kick combination that way. And I have my reasons, and that's fine. I'm not here to argue those. But ask yourself, if you throw it away, is it doing anybody any good? Are you offloading it in a way that supports and sustains somebody else? And that's a pretty involved question, pretty challenging question. So probably would benefit by some rumination and consideration. So thank you for your consideration and your donations. Thank you so much. Pointing your smartphone's camera at these QR codes will lead you to places where you can help. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.